What's up guys, Derek Johnson. In this video I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what this course is about and how to navigate this course. So this is built in Drop Funnels. I'll post a link below if you want to use similar software to Drop Funnels to build courses, sales funnels, blogs, membership sites and stuff like that. So it's a great platform. What I'm going to show you is how to navigate. So basically each of these is its own module. We have Getting Started, Genius Messenger, and Friend Connector. So you can expand or collapse those. If you want to navigate to a previous or future topic, you can just click that topic over here on the left and it will take you there. If you're inside of the training, you can also just click next video and that will take you to the next video. This overview video is going to be replaced with the one I'm recording now. So once we go into the actual meat of the training, you'll just click next video all the way through to the end. I left some images and text about each video as well, so hopefully that's helpful. I also ask you guys for some feedback on this post. So we're integrating pretty soon with a couple calendar applications, and in the future we'll be adding others by order of popular vote. So if you want to drop your favorite calendar app in this post, you can do that there. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just work your way through the training. Once you get to the end, I talk about the roadmap and the future feature updates coming out for Genius Messenger CRM. If you already bought Friend Connector, that's awesome. I'm going to have training under this Friend Connector tab for you as well. Or I'm offering during beta this last chance to get Friend Connector included with your Genius Messenger CRM subscription. So you didn't take the order bump for 97 bucks. So the price did go up. That was a one-time offer. It's now $197, but you're actually getting an additional software as well for that price. So you can click this link and it'll open up Link Wizard. If you purchase Link Wizard and you're a Genius Messenger CRM subscriber, I'm going to include Link Wizard and Friend Connector in with your subscription. So just trying to reward you guys for taking action, going through this course and all that good stuff. If you have any questions for me, check out the support and troubleshooting lesson. You can email me by clicking this button or message me by clicking this button on Facebook. And we do have a messenger, our Genius Messenger CRM support group as well on Facebook. So you can join that if you'd like. Other than that, hopefully this is valuable. I know the tool is valuable, and I can't wait to see how much time and money you make back from using this tool. So that being said, I'm going to let you get started and go on to the first lesson, creating labels. All the best.